Okay, today we're going to change the in and realm filter, the inside filter on a T5. This is my little T5. Obviously bed's not made, nice little wardrobe and that. I'm going to try and show you where the, this is the left hand drive, so I'm going to show you where the filter is. Now usually under the glove box is a small plate that has 5 screws holding it into place. Now you can see one just here, one on the other side, there's one in the middle here, and then there's one underneath that side. I think it's 4 or 5 screws. If you have a look round you will see it. Your actual filter part, let's try and get that out of the light, is this part here, which is held in by 1, 2 screws. These are just undone and the filter comes out. I'm just going to quickly undo them, try and get this in position so you can see me do it. My head might be in the way a little bit, but I just have to go. What we got? Using a 5.5 with a long arm reach. This is the plate that drops out. Nice clean. Out. So now we can see a new filter in place. So that's the bottom of the air filter there, with the flow going in the right direction. Now we're just going to position this part around the correct way. One screw in, other one to go. One screw, 2 screws.